OnePlus is preparing to release its next flagship in the coming months. The successor of OnePlus 6T is said to have a completely different design than any OnePlus device that has been released so far. The popular YouTube channel, Concept Creator, has released a new video that features an impressive and highly detailed OnePlus 7 concept, based on the latest rumors and leaks of recent weeks. The video reveals that OnePlus 7 will have a 6.41 AMOLED screen, in-display fingerprint sensor, just like OnePlus 6T. However, unlike his ancestor, OnePlus 7 will not have a notch. The pop-up selfie camera of the device is located in the top left corner of the device and is expected to have a 16MP sensor. Within the OnePlus 7, we'll find Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 with 8GB or 12GB of RAM, 128GB or 256GB of internal storage respectively, and 4000 mAh with 44W warp charge, and Android 9.0 Pie. About OnePlus 6T has a 3.700 mAh battery and uses OnePlus Dash Charge technology. Finally, the video concept reveals 3 rear cameras, 48MP plus 20MP plus 5MP with a depth sensor. OnePlus already uses a dual camera system to add artificial blur behind objects in portrait mode. For the moment, it is unclear what role the third camera will play, but some think it will be the 10x optical zoom mechanism announced by Oppo at MWC last month. This product is expected to be released in May with a starting price of $569. With this price, it is clear that OnePlus 7 has become one of the top phone killer products like before. Regarding color, OnePlus 7 will include 2 colors, purple and red. All 3 colors are displayed in the new output. Sadly, it does not support the 5G network. Reportedly, OnePlus impressed with a first product in April 2014 named OnePlus One with an attractive price. The product is always considered the killer of the top phone every time it is launched thanks to high-end specifications and attractive selling price. If the list leaks correctly, OnePlus 7 is also such a product.